everyone, welcome to our channel Social Animal. Depression is a common mental disorder. Globally, more than 264 million people of all age groups suffer through depression. Close to 8 lakh people die due to suicide every year, which is one person every 40 seconds. Yeah, you heard it right. One person every 40 seconds is taking his or her own life, not someone else killing, but they are pushed to a level of loneliness or helplessness or pain that they decide to kill themselves. Can we live with that thought? Can we be at peace with that thought? The economic loss due to mental health conditions between 2012 to 2030 is estimated at USD 1.03 trillion. Yeah, so it's not just the human beings losing their life, but it is also a damage to economy. If you are that depressed, reach out to someone. And remember, suicide is a permanent solution to a temporary problem. You know who said this? Robin Williams. Yes. One of the most successful actor, artist, one of the most creative man, one of the biggest comedian of Hollywood of all time. I for when I was growing up, for a very long time I used to follow him, his quotes, his speeches, because he used to speak motivation. Okay, and my entire world was shaken when I got to know that Robin Williams, okay, who's encouraging me towards life, to goals, to like who's inspiring me every day, is someone who is gonna take his life away. I could never accept that he is the one who's giving me a hope, and he's the same person who's taking it away. He himself is so hopeless that he is taking his life away. This I could never accept. And that was my first encounter with pain, mental health, depression. He left me with the question, why? Why? Why a successful actor who had so much fame and name decided to kill himself? Why he was so alone? Why he was so helpless? That was the first instance which gave me a question or a thought that there is something, which is not visible but very harmful. That is your mental health issues. Yeah, I call mental health issue as silent killer because lot of us doesn't know about it, and we do not have enough awareness. So that is one of the reason that I started this initiative, that I really want people to know. Okay, you might be suffering, but you might not be aware. You might feel hollowness, you might feel pain, you might feel struggle, you might feel a sadness which is not ending, but because there are no physical symptom, you might not understand. So today I really want you to join hands with me, and let's bring more awareness about mental health. One life taken away in 40 seconds. Let's stop that. God did not created human beings to end up this way. So we need to really do something. So let's all together, it's not about me, it's about all of us. right? When it says 264 million people, someone around us is one of them, right? So let's help each other and bring more mental health awareness.